How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the Moza R3 steering wheel with the best setting. So you can simply set this up by using the official application on the Moza official website. Now from here, this is going to be the best steering angle right here. You just want to make sure that you turn on the maximum limit for steering angle synchronization, and the soft limit stiffness is going to be 1. Right after, you then want to just copy the settings that we have right here for the game force feedback intensity 100%, the maximum output torque limit 100%, the force feedback interpolation 7, and so on and so forth. Now we also have the base force effects like natural dampening 35%, natural friction 10%, natural inertia 150, and 000 for the wheel spring, speed dependent, and the start point of speed dampening right here. Now for the game force effect, you want to set the game spring, the game dampening, and the game inertia, game friction to 100%. And we have the FBB or FFB effect equalizer, so you could just go ahead and copy this effect right here. And also this one. And now for something like the in-game setting, of course, one of the most popular games out there is going to be the Forza Horizon 6. Most players agree that this is the best setting that there is out there. But of course, you could customize this depending on your scenario or on your playstyle. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.